Well, when this government came to power a year ago, I had categorically assured everybody that this government would not tax retrospectively, nor would it issue any notices on the retrospective tax, legislations which the earlier government has done. We've kept our word. Now, there are a few legacy issues, some of which we've put to rest already, and we are deeply committed to a non-adversarial tax regime, which is fair, which is stable, which is predictable. And therefore, whatever existing issues do exist, which are not of the making of this government, but are essentially legacy issues, I'm in the process of trying to smoothen them out. I've already announced that I'm setting up a committee to advise the government as to what possible steps can be taken in some of those legacy issues. Well, I have a lot of roadmap to cover, but every decision we have taken, and there are dozens of them, are all in one direction. Therefore, a directional change to the Indian economy has been brought about. There is faster decision making. We've been able to get most of our legislations through. We've been able to get some of the executive decisions taken very smoothly. And we've not taken a single decision which is of a contrarian direction. So we've restored the credibility of the decision-making process in India. Well, there is some movement as far as private investment is concerned, but it's initially the impact of these decisions, the impact of a large amount of public spending that we are going to do, which really has to translate into action in order to attract private investment both from within and outside the country. I don't think there is a contradiction in the two. The economy has to grow. It's only then that I have the revenue to support and service the poor of this country. The kind of social sector schemes that we have formulated and we are delivering, both in terms of pensions, insurance, financial inclusion, no government in the past has done it. Our growth rates are much faster. Our job creation is faster. Our fiscal deficit is totally coming under control. Our current account deficit has never been as good. And I think the basic parameters, our inflation is under control. So the basic fundamentals are quite sound. Probably we can, but that doesn't give me satisfaction for the reason the size of the Chinese economy is much larger.